right light, the right angle, the right touch. The most beautiful skin deserves to be touched by the peak of technology. Introducing the Soprano Ice Platinum by Alma Lasers, the most innovative and effective laser hair removal solution, featuring the world's first clinically proven trio clustered diode technology. 3 laser wavelengths combined into one safe synergetic treatment covering the optimal spectrum, achieving virtually painless results on all skin tones, including tan skin. The Soprano Ice Platinum targets unwanted hair at 3 different structures and depths within the hair follicle simultaneously. A 3-in-1 applicator for smoother, silkier skin effortlessly. Soprano Ice Platinum, the power of 3.